Now for our feature story of the day, fam. Crypto Strategist unveils big Bitcoin price target for 2025 of $220,000 per coin and predicts the US dollar collapse along the way. Let's break this baby down and welcome everyone just joining the live stream. Closely followed Crypto Strategist thinks the biddy is now raring to ignite the next phase of the bull market. I agree. I think fourth quarter we're going to rise. We're talking here about synonymous analyst Callio, who shared on X that Bitcoin is now in a position to launch rallies that will last until the end of 2025. The trader shares an inverse Bitcoin chart suggesting that Bitcoin will hit the trend line of his logarithmic growth curve by next year to soar to his massive price target of around $220,000, as outlined here in the chart. All right, I'm giving in. Be more bullish. Of course. Now, looking at the chart, this is an inverse chart. He seems to suggest Bitcoin tends to witness a steep rally a few months after his halving event when Bitcoin miner rewards are slashed in half. And we officially had the halving on April 19th, close enough to 420. Zooming in, Callio thinks Bitcoin will consolidate for a few more days before sparking surges that take out multiple resistance levels. And again, the current all-time high is 73.8, which we achieved mid-March. So that's where we need to re-enter to get back to price discovery. That's when things get exciting. And in my personal opinion, I think that's when a lot of the retail will join us for this cycle when we hit a new all-time high. So based on this chart, you can see on your screen, the analyst appears to predict Bitcoin will hit new all-time highs by early next month. October, bro. We're only a few weeks out. Let's go. And as for the US dollar currency index, known as the DXY, the trader believes it has already topped out, poised to move to much lower levels at around 72 in 2026. Quoting him here, imagine if the path on this DXY chart I drew 19 months ago continues to play out perfectly. Just imagine. Just imagine. He initially made a call for the DXY collapse in May of 2023. DYX has been following his outlined price path ever since. The DXY is a metric that tracks the value of the US dollar against a basket of major fiat currencies. A plummeting DXY is typically bullish for risk assets such as stocks and crypto, suggesting investors are spending their dollars to accumulate the risk assets. I mean, those who treat fiat as a store of value, what do we call them, folks?
But most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
Oh, and by the way, family, welcome everyone to the stream. This is a Q&A segment. Let me know your thoughts and predictions regarding the $220,000 target. I'm going to read as many of your comments out loud. Got to pay to play, but it's not 100%. You have to put on some risk. Of course, there's always risk.